Learn words without memorizing them. I know it's a little confusing. What do you mean, combies? Learn without memorizing? Yeah, if you follow this page long enough, at least for once, you heard me saying, repeat the lessons a lot. So this brings up this question. If I listen to a story for, let's say, a week, am I not going to memorize it? No, you're not going to memorize it, but learn it. Let me tell you why. When you learn something, you change the information you already have with the new information you get or experience. But if you memorize, you put the information in your head and it doesn't increase your knowledge because you have no control over it. A great example of this is the coding method. You use some mnemonic devices to memorize some certain words, but since you have no control over it, you can't use it when you're speaking the language. This is why you should not memorize anything in English, but learn or acquire it. So when I say repeat the lessons at least for a week, I don't mean you have to memorize the lesson and tell the complete story after a week. I want you to get a sense of that story by repeating it. Exactly like the explanation I gave 10 seconds ago. You add or change the information you already have. First day, you open the story and learn some new words. New information. The second day, you repeat it and try to understand the pronunciation. New information. On the third day, you do your best to answer the questions faster. New information, new experience. On the fourth day, you try to find and write new examples of the new words you've learned. New information. On the fifth day, you try to challenge yourself by only listening. New information, new experience. And so on. Of course, this is not the exact strategy you have to follow. I'm just saying you can add new information by repeating the lessons enough times. You can change the strategy the way you want, but you need to repeat and change the context gradually so your brain can experience new challenges and learn new information. So from now on, never memorize. Just review and check, even if you're using flashcards. Just look at the sentence and say if you remember it or not. You want to expose yourself to the language. This is all you need. And trust me, this is scientifically proven and this will work. Now go and download Zabanshenas and try this method with one of your favorite lessons. If you're a beginner, maybe you can try mini stories. They're fantastic. You can download it using the link in bio or this link. That's it. Don't forget to save this post and like it, because that's how Instagram works. Thank you so much. Cheers.